Khan's Maths 5 Plus, page 24. Dear students, today we'll learn about concept of 10. 10 ones make 110. Look at these pictures in rows. In the first row, you see 10 pencils bonded as a bundle. They represent the number 10. In the second row, you see 10 cubes placed one on the other. They represent the number 10. In the third row, you see 10 balloons tied together. They represent the number 10. In the fourth row, you see 10 beads woven in one thread. They represent the number 10. Respectable teachers and parents, explain to the children the one-to-one correspondence that will help them to understand that 10 ones make 110. Also, make them count different objects and count up to number 10. Show them flashcards and ask the number they display through various objects. Encourage the children's efforts and clap for them at the end of assessment activities. Thank you.